Good morning from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife. Video about the weather. So this is Monday morning weather here. Almost 10 o'clock. 22 degrees, expecting 25, maybe 6 today. Let's go up to La Paz quickly. Christmas songs are here. This is bread from platano bread. Cool, cool, cool. Agatha Christie stairs. That's a good exercise here. I called my program Strong Legs, Strong Heart, so hopefully it will work. Every morning just to get up to La Paz and back. It takes only 30 minutes. The mousetrap, the last book. Amazing fence. Still a little bit Kalima, waiting for clear sky. It takes time. You can see Teide over there, but there are new rules. I've read new rules. If you want to go to Teide during the day or night, you need electronic registration, and you need long pants, you need hiking boots and some water and warm jacket. So if you want to go up, really check out, Google it, because as I know, these people, they can be very strict and they can return you back, so you will not be able to go. Okay, let's see the view. Playa de Martianes, low ocean, lots of surfers. So happy Monday, all the best from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. Kalima paradise, but we cannot complain.